hate to keep this segment kind of short, but once again, please subscribe to Sir Handle Productions, who helped out with this project. Seriously, if you haven't, go subscribe to this guy. His content is amazing. Now, on to the chapter. Alright, boys, you've had a long enough nap. Time for the both of you to wake up. And don't even think about complaining. You know why I'm doing this. Yesterday was a fluke, but today we are doing this right. So who's with me? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's do this. Come on.
You good? Sounds like something's on your mind.
Yeah, nah, I'm fine, I promise.
If you say so. Anyway, let's get going, haha!
That's the spirit, gentlemen! Now, without further ado, how about we go save this island, you awesome mother... You know, just to think of it. Everything's soon about to be back to normal. It's remarkable, really. I mean, yeah, yesterday was a bit of a hiccup, but today's a new day, and I think everything's just gonna go smoothly from here on out. My grind bitches! Me and my big fucking mouth.
Attention, dumbasses of Sodor. We're here to kidnap and probably probe you. And if you do not come quietly, we will use tactical force.
Toby, I'm gonna make a run for it. Wait, hang on, but what about the other diesels? I'll lead them away. See you on the other side, box cab. See you, lemonheads. Catch you later, chuckle nuts. Oi, D2! The bastard cut us off! And what are you two doing just standing here? After him! And then, apparently, with a snap of a rod, my crank pin had came loose and my side rod went through my run. Edward, you good? Yeah, it's just, you might need to get out of here. Hang on, wait, what do you mean get out of here? Where do I even go? Very minimal time to explain, but all I have to say is just go behind that sheds. Alright, fine. Come on, D2, I know you're out here. You know what? Enough of the voice. What do we have here? D261. Good to see you again. How have you been exactly? Old man, quit with the small talk. I'd just kill you right here, right now. Oh, please, with what? A little shunt? It's gonna take a lot more than that to take down this old dog. Okay, yep, that one ought to do it. Glad to know you and I have the same views. Well, hey, look on the bright side. At least we're going down together. Wait, what? Oh my god. Edward, no. Excuse me for being fashionably late. I hope I didn't miss anything. No, not at all. But please tell me you did bring a good fight. Alright, stop me if you heard this one. How about two lemonhead diesels named Barry and Bert? Ah, yes, the best of the best. Let's kick some diesel ass!
Sorry for being late. That was a nightmare. So, what did I miss?
Not much. Just start rounding up everyone here before boss gets here.
Alright then.
Thomas, James, Percy, wherever you three are with that coach, you better hurry the hell up. Well, Albert's gonna leave off on that note. I guess I can just continue the story, considering, well, again, it's still about the three of us, so, roll it! Alright, gentlemen, this is it. Today, we save our home as a team, because we're going right into that ironworks, and we're stealing that coach. Any further questions? I don't really have that much of a game plan, but okay, go on, I guess. And as the leader of this ragtag of adventurers, I say I go in first. Oh, I'm not surprised. You know, it wouldn't kill you to let us take the lead for once. Oh, you ain't fooling anybody. Why would you want to go in there? It will ruin your precious paintwork. Oh, what was that, you little runt? Yes,
Oh,
I am
really?
calling
You
you
wanna
out
call
because
me
it's
the
true.
runt?
And
Says the
also,
one who
my
cares about
paintwork means
nothing but
very
his
much
ego
to
and
me, a
his
little
precious-
green. Alright, the both of yous, calm down. Percy! You know, it's not really nice to talk about James behind his tender. And James, speaking of you, Percy's got a point. You would literally cower out there the second you got a little bit of black smudge on your paint. Now, if you excuse me, I have an ironworks to charge in too. Alright, Brighton. Now is the point of no return. Oh, great, it's you! What are you even doing here? I thought you were stuck in that barge back in 2000! What the fuck was that? Aw, you really think you're gonna scare me with a fake whistle? Please. Okay, enough of the silent treatment. I want some answers. Num 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 so much no! While yes, I'm very aware it's very outlandish, but just stick with me here. What if Yuri has a few to come? Nobody, nope, 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 no, no, no! Jesus hell, Blue Boy, calm the hell down. Where's the fire? There is a demon in that scrapyard. There is something that crawled out of hell. Okay, he's lost it. James, you go check it out. Bitch, I am the definition of swag. Really think I'm going in there? You go in there. Fine, you egotistical fuck. I'll go in there myself. Seems about normal. I mean, nothing too spooky at least. What was Thomas talking about? Looks like there's just two little scrap engines here. Yep, nothing weird about these two little engine corpses. Nothing at all. What in the Billy Bob Biscuit fuck is that thing? Oh god, oh god, oh god, help, 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 please, 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 I beg of the Lord, please, 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 please! And don't even think about coming back, you overcooked, rusty hornhog of a wiener! Hey, look, the coach. Hey, Bluey, little help here? Oh, yeah. Hey, Rusty Cock, how about you get your damn buffers off my best friend before you won't have any cock to speak of? Alright, now, Percy, get the hell out of here. I'll deal with him myself. Oh, no need to tell me twice. Hey, look on the bright side. At least we found the coach. But where's James at? Simple. He's right behind you. Percy, if I were you, I would look out. Looks like it might be still after you. Wait, what was that? Oh, come on, man! Oh, God, no! Help, 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 help! Percy, hang on, I'm coming. Right after I deal with you, of course. Shit, he's bringing out the claw. You got any ideas? You thinking what I'm thinking? That could be a big possibility. Send you back where you should have stayed. Bye-bye, bitch boy.
So, hey, I'm still a little confused here, so what exactly do I do?
I'll hold Diesel here. Go grab the coach for Thomas.
On it.
The question remains, how the hell do I get you out of here?
There you are, it's about time you showed up. Well, they do say better late than never, correct?
Good one. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Sorry, I would love to stay and chat, but that looks like my cue to leave. Well, I've searched the entire yard, top to track, and it looks like we're the only 3 survivors. Really? That's it? This is how bleak it all is? Well, we got ambushed. The hell were you expecting? A happy ending? This isn't a fairy tale, Henry. This is real life, and we've got to learn to accept that. Yeah, I know life isn't a fairy tale. You don't need to remind me. It's just I needed to know if everyone was okay, alright? Just please. Wait, what? Who's out there? Show yourself. Oh, Arthur, it's you. Say, where's Edward? I know he was last seen with you. Oh, I am so sorry. I had no clue. Oh my god. Well, maybe it's best for you to possibly come with us. I mean, hey, what else have we really got to lose, right? Well, I guess on that somber note, it's best if I just end the story. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna let events play out. Just roll it.
And I swear to all that is living, if I see him again, I will... Hey, Thomas, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just... I'm really glad you were here to help us succeed.
Glad to be part of the adventure.
Glad to have you on said adventure.
Hello, my dear friends. I hope I didn't miss too much.
It's not much. Me and James were just talking before he was going off to sleep.
Alright then. Well, if you don't mind me asking, what do I do with this coach for now? For now, if you have a place, I say put it somewhere very safe.
We'll just tell everyone the good news, then we can grab it, and then we can fix this whole situation.
Alright then, you're the boss. I'll let you go off to sleep now. We've had a long day.
Good night, Percy.
Night, Thomas. And as for you, my little friend, I know exactly where to put you.